वेलकम बैक क्लास। अब चलते हैं बेटा हमारे द लास्ट एंड द फाइनल सम, दैट इज द फिफ्थ सम ऑफ Q2 of 6.3. The sum is exactly the same like your first and the second sum of Q2. यहाँ पर भी आपको बेटा सबसे पहले दिया है 3xy minus 2ab the whole cube, और फिर उस आंसर को आपको सबट्रैक्ट करना है 3xy plus 2ab the whole cube. Now what is the difference? यहाँ पर पहले हम a minus b the whole cube का आंसर लगाएंगे और फिर a plus b the whole cube का आंसर लगाएंगे. That is the formula followed by the substitution and then the answer. Is this thing clear? So now let us start. सबसे पहले you will copy the question and leave a line and write using the formula. The first formula should have minus sign in between with a cube, तो बन जाएगा a minus b the whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. करेक्ट? और फिर बेटा हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे. So leave a line and write where a is equal to, माइनस के लेफ्ट में a होता है, so माइनस के लेफ्ट में है 3xy and b, that is माइनस के राइट में, so माइनस के राइट में you will write 2ab. Correct? And then again we will write the formula and substitute. So let me write the formula. Leave a line. A minus b the whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Thereafter बेटा let us substitute. Substitute के अंदर क्या करते हैं बेटा? We will be applying where there is a we will put 3xy and where there is b we will put 2ab. So now let us write it. So leave a line. A की जगह पे you will write 3xy minus sign brought down. b की जगह पे we will write 2ab the whole cube is equals to a का cube, that is 3xy then put minus sign 3a square b, that is 3 multiplied by a square 3xy the whole square multiply by y, that is multiply by b, that is 2ab plus sign brought down, then it is 3ab square, so 3 multiply by a means 3xy multiply by b means 2ab the whole square minus sign brought down 2ab the whole cube. Correct? इसे हम कहते हैं बेटा substitution, जहां पर you will substitute the values. Wherever there is a, put there 3xy and wherever there is b, put there 2ab. अब बेटा हम इसे properly solve करेंगे. So let us start solving. Leave a line and you will solve. 3 का क्यूब will become 27, x का क्यूब will become x cube, y cube minus sign brought down. Now first let us multiply this 3 by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6ab multiply 3 का square is 9 x का स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर plus sign brought down. 3 multiplied by 3 will give you 9 xy multiply 2 square 4 a square a and b square will become b minus sign brought down. Then 2 का cube will become 8 a's cube will become a cube and b's cube will become b cube. Correct? Now the final step. Let us copy this. 27 x cube y cube minus sign 6 multiplied by 9. 6 nines is 54. Followed by arrange them in alphabetical order. So this is a b x square y square. Then you have plus sign. So put plus sign. Now we have to multiply these two. So this is 9 multiplied by 4, 36. 9 4s are 36. And then you will write a square b square xy. And then it is negative 8 a cube b cube. Correct? So बेटा आपका पहला ब्रैकेट सॉल्व हो चुका है. Now let us go for the next bracket. And in the next bracket आप क्या देखोगे? आपको दिखेगा कि here you have minus sign in between. So don't take that minus sign. We are not taking that minus sign when we are solving. We will be taking this 3xy plus 2ab the whole cube. So let me write now. And then using the formula. And what is the formula? Since you have plus sign in between with a cube beta, so this will become a plus b. The whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Correct? And then let us continue with the where. अब यहाँ पर भी आपका जो where होगा ना बेटा, it will be the same. That is, you will leave a line and you will write here where a is on the left hand side. So on the left hand side you have 3xy. And b is on the right hand side, you will have 2ab. Thereafter leave a line and copy the same formula as it is. That is a plus b the whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Then substitute. जहां पर भी a दिया रहेगा बेटा, वहां पर we will write 3xy. And जहां पर भी b होगा, there we will write 2ab. So start substituting. करेक्ट. सो जहां पर भी a था बेटा, हम लोगों ने वहां पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया है 3 3xy और जहां पर भी b है वहां पर हमने लिख दिया है 2ab. Now just find the cubes. 3 का क्यूब will be 27, x cube y cube plus 3 multiply by 2 will give you 6ab multiply 3 का square 9 x square y square plus 3 multiply by 3 9 xy multiply 2 का square 4 a square b square plus 2 cube 8 a cube then b cube, correct? And then 27 x cube y cube will be brought down plus sign brought down. 6 multiplied by 9 will give you 54. AB x square y square plus sign brought down. 9 multiplied by 4 will give you 36. A square b square xy plus 8 a cube b cube. So by this बेटा अभी तक हम लोगों ने सिर्फ दो ब्रैकेट्स को एक्सपांड करके उनके इंडिविजुअल आंसर को लाया है. In the next video we shall see how to subtract them and what is the answer. Thereafter क्या कॉमन निकल सकता है उसे भी हम देखेंगे. So meet you in the next video with the same sum. Till then, take care of yourself and